Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your OPPO Enco Air 3i are charging? So we have two options for the charging case. If you connect your charging case to the power, at the bottom we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable at this port, and if you see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your charging case are charging. Also, we can check for the earbuds. We can open Hey Melody application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. Right here we have better percentages for the earbuds, and if we put at least one earbud to the charging case, we can check it for the charging case. Now, to check is your earbuds are charging, you need to check how much battery you have in the application, then put your earbuds to the case and charge it. If you connect your charging case to the power, right here you have lightning bolt near to the charging case, but not near to your earbuds. And this one is the second option, how to check it for the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.